The power of permission marketing, building customer relationships. Do you feel like your marketing efforts are not getting the attention they deserve? Are you tired of using traditional methods that don't seem to resonate with your target audience? It's time to try a different approach and discover the power of permission marketing. By delivering personalized, relevant messages to people who have shown an interest in receiving them, you can earn their trust and build a long-lasting relationship with your customers. Say goodbye to the frustration of ignored marketing campaigns and hello to the potential of permission marketing. But it's not as simple as just collecting contact information and assuming permission. Real permission is earned by consistently delivering value and keeping promises made to the audience. It's a bit like dating, it takes time to build trust and earn the right to ask for a sale. So if you're ready to build stronger relationships with your customers and boost your sales, it's time to embrace the power of permission marketing. Permission marketing is a type of marketing that involves delivering relevant, personalized messages to individuals who have shown interest in receiving them. It recognizes that consumers have the power to ignore marketing messages and emphasizes the importance of treating people with respect to earn their attention. To succeed in permission marketing, it is critical to pay attention to the audience's wants and needs. When someone chooses to pay attention, it is a valuable asset that should not be taken for granted. Permission must be earned by delivering on promises made to the audience. Real permission is different from assumed or formal permission. Just because you have someone's contact information does not mean you have permission to contact them. Permission must be earned by consistently delivering value to the audience. Permission marketing is similar to dating in that it takes time to build trust and earn the right to ask for a sale. The key to successful permission marketing is delivering on promises and keeping the audience engaged over time. It requires patience, humility, and a willingness to prioritize the audience's needs over the company's desire for immediate sales. Imagine that you are shopping for a new pair of shoes, and you come across a store that catches your attention. You walk in and are greeted by a friendly salesperson who asks if they can help you find anything. You tell them what you're looking for, and they show you some options that fit your needs. After you leave the store, you receive an email thanking you for visiting and offering a discount on your next purchase. You decide to sign up for their newsletter, which promises to send you information about new products and upcoming sales. Over the next few weeks, you receive emails from the store with helpful tips on shoe care, styling advice, and links to blog posts that you find interesting. You also receive notifications about upcoming sales, and occasionally, the store sends you exclusive discounts. Because the store is providing you with valuable information and discounts that are relevant to your interests, you don't mind receiving their emails. In fact, you look forward to seeing them in your inbox. This is an example of permission marketing in action. The store earned your permission to send you marketing messages by providing you with relevant and valuable content that you wanted to receive. They didn't just spam you with ads or try to sell you something right away. Instead, they took the time to build a relationship with you and earn your trust. In conclusion, permission marketing offers a powerful and effective alternative to traditional marketing methods. By providing personalized and relevant messages to people who have shown an interest in receiving them, companies can earn their trust and build long-lasting relationships with their customers. However, earning real permission is not easy and requires consistently delivering value and keeping promises made to the audience. Companies must prioritize the audience's needs over their own desire for immediate sales, and it takes time to build trust and earn the right to ask for a sale. By doing so, companies can build stronger relationships with their customers, increase engagement, and boost sales. So, if you're looking to improve your marketing efforts, it's time to embrace the power of permission marketing. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found it helpful and informative, please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to receive notifications for our latest updates. Additionally, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment letting us know what topics you would like to see in future videos. Lastly, if you think this content would be beneficial to your loved ones, please share it with them. Thank you for your support, and have a great day.